Django model doesn't declare an explicit app underscore label. I'm at wit's end. After a dozen hours of troubleshooting, probably more, I thought I was finally in business, but then I got. There is so little info on this on the web, and no solution out there has resolved my issue. Any advice would be tremendously appreciated. I'm using Python 3.4 and Django 1.10. From my settings.py. And my apps.py files look like this. And
are you missing putting in your application name into the settings file? The myappName config is the default class generated at apps.py by the .manage.py create app myappName command, where myappName is the name of your app. Settings.py. This way, the settings file finds out what you want to call your application. You can change how it looks later in the apps.py file by adding the following code in. myappName/apps.py.
As a noob using Python 3, I find it might be an import error instead of a Django error. Wrong. Right. This happens a few days ago, but I really can't reproduce it. I think only people new to Django may encounter this. Here's what I remember. Try to register a model in admin.py. Try to run server. Error looks like this. Change user to .user, problem solved.
I got this one when I used /manage.py shell. Then I accidentally imported from the root project level directory.
I had exactly the same error when running tests with PyCharm. I fixed it by explicitly setting Django_settings_module environment variable. If you're using PyCharm, just hit Edit Configurations button and choose Environment Variables. Set the variable to your _project_name.settings and that should fix the thing. It seems like this error occurs because PyCharm runs tests with its own manage.py.